Hi guys, how are you all? I'm back with one more new vlog. So actually, I came today to a dune bashing. So this is, you can drive your own car. So I'm just experiencing it. So I'll just walk you through the whole trip. Hope you enjoy it. And soon I'll drive my own too. So it's beautiful. I have some videos in the morning where I took it. They're really amazing. Enjoy it, guys. If you're still new to our channel, please click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so you will be notified when I post a new video. So see you guys. So enjoy the whole ride and give big thumbs up if you like this vlog, and also click on the bell icon so you will be notified when I post a new video. That's it, guys. Let's move on to today's ride.
So this is assembly point. Basically you need to reduce the PSI on your tires. So I think you keep between 12 to 16 and then you fix the flag and then you start the ride. So from there we started the dune bashing. So it was amazing ride, guys.
Guys, good morning. So we came to a dune bashing. Dune bashing. Okay, so nice.
Reached to a first play area. So basically wherever they see uphill and it is a very good place to ride on the dune bashing, they call that as a play area. So you can see that each vehicle you can go, but you need to be at least 3P plus to participate in the play area.
Okay, this one is only for the few and above. Don't make an attempt if you are newly, please.
finishing play area, we moved to Fossil Rock. So that's a high hill. Basically, the hill, it will be half sand and half hill. Hill. And we're just moving towards Fossil Rock now. Actually, the car got stuck here. One of the car F150. Looks like battery is gone, so we're trying to do a jump start. Let's see how it goes. We are almost like in the top of the hill, guys. And yeah, this is a down. It's unbelievable views. So we tried to do a jump start, but it didn't work. Looks like there is a starter problem. So we decided to pull the car to down.
Stick it on both the sides, one by one. And once Chaitanya brings another one, try to do the double shackles on both the sides.
Car is stuck, guys. So we're gonna tow from the top to bottom.
Be very careful. We're increasing the rope distance. It's going to be 12 meter now, 9 meter this, 3 meter this. But still, while coming down, you might pick up a speed. So, and with the dead engine, the braking is going to be a really tough. So you really have to step on the brake with your full human power, because there's no assistance now. So that's the reason I'm increasing this, and plus we are using the double so that it's going to take the weight.
So
once we're down, it's going to be easy. No. The automatic cars, you cannot do the pull start. And the reason I asked them to push it and bring it down, because of the fuel. Because if the fuel is low, it's usually pressurized. But still, if the fuel is too low, that the fuel tank is not able to suck it in. So when you bring it to plant ground, it will suck.
I think they might be that they also the everything is not working.
Yeah, but you're on flat ground right now. And how's the fuel gauge? You said last quarter.
Yeah, but if it's running out, it's going to take you some to get back. Now the battery is flat also.
I think your battery is an issue. It's not the fuel. Because if fuel is there, then it's going to start and it's going to switch off. Just give me a second.
Well, at least I don't think it's stuck today. Fine.
That's an achievement. It's gonna be well.
That's it, guys. We're gonna pull this car.
Yes. I'm going to ride the ridge only.
So we have to take all the way down.
Yes, please.
This is a big car.
Sorry.
That's it, guys. Today we're gonna end today's dune bashing. Thank you, Anand. It was a great ride, and I had
Pleasure.
amazing fun.
Yeah, this is just the
So,
beginning.
Yeah, we need to
have
go a
more
long way.
coming.
And that's it, guys. See you with my next video, and hope you have a great time and have a fun, guys. And if you're new to our channel, please click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so you will be notified when I post my new video. Till then, guys, bye bye. Arvind signing off. Thank you. So this